let me put it on you with your finance. You should let me spend it on you with your finance. I got paper, I can work you in my finances. But with me and I can show you a pour high classes. Girl, you got me in my bag, I'm tryna spend some. Beat it up, really get in some, yeah.
We're gonna start off with foundation. I'm gonna just blend this into my skin, and my voice sounds crazy. I just got sick. I have like a flu thing. It's bad, and my voice always says this every time around this year. It never fails. It always turns like this. But it's fine. It just sucks because like where I work, I have to talk to people a lot, and everyone's just like so. But I kind of like it. It sounds kind of raspy and like it's whatever. But I don't know. I kind of sound like a dude too, though. I need to get new makeup so I can show you guys new things, but makeup is not cheap. So I don't know what concealer I should get. Down below, guys, let me know like some good concealers to try out or like that are really good. So I'm gonna use this as a primer because we're gonna do a more crazy eyeshadow look today. Since I don't have my eyelash extensions, I can do something a little bit more crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so as you guys see, I just set it in my under eyes, and you're gonna set that all whatever's left, because I don't really like to put it everywhere because I don't really like powder all over my face, so I just kind of blend whatever's like left because I still need it. But there we go. Let's do, I always do this, but low-key I feel like I'm gonna just put on some regular bronzer. So we're just gonna put some regular bronzer on. I need to get a new bronzer ASAP because I know this is risky wearing a white cute jacket while doing your makeup, but I want to be extra with it. Because I really want to get somewhere on YouTube. Like, it's so hard getting views. Like, I don't really care for the views, but it's not that I care about the views and the numbers or whatever, but I just want people to watch it, like, and I don't know how to get more people to watch it. That would be like annoying, and I don't want to tell like all my friends yet about it. I kind of want to be a little bit more established, but like, you know, like I don't know, like I don't know how to get myself out there more. My nails are looking really ratchet, so I hope you can't see them. What we have, but by the way, about my nails, they look disgusting. Like, as you guys can see, I have one that like just flew off, like so easily. It just literally came off. So, but that's a good thing because I want to film a video about nails. My next video, hopefully by Thursday. I have a lot of video ideas coming up, so make sure to subscribe to my channel because y'all can see what's coming up next stuff. But yeah, nails done. Not yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit because I spent a lot of money this week, especially because it's the holidays and stuff, and I wanted Christmas nails so bad, but my bank don't want Christmas nails right now. So on the real, I'm gonna do something else so you guys can see what I'm gonna do. I just don't want to spend money on nails, to be honest with you. But it's like, it's hard for me to spend money. Like, I have to get my nails done. Like, I'm that girl that likes to have like nice nails and stuff. But when it comes to nails or like a cheeseburger or like pizza or something, I'm gonna choose food over that because I love to eat. Like, most of my money goes to food, and I need to stop that. Like, I like to go into Chick-fil-A or like In-N-Out or Chipotle or tacos somewhere or something like that. But the issue I have. I like to go out to eat, and especially because my friends, like, that's what we do. We go out to eat mostly. So I want to do a mukbang one day, maybe with my friends or like my sister or something. We could film like a mukbang. Would be cool. Okay, now this looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out. That shouldn't matter. Like, I'm nice to everyone at work. I'm so sweet. But I'm just a sweet girl. But I walked in, all like the workers were like mean except like 2 of them. And it's like, she just like looked at me and she went like this. She was all the way at the register and I was like all the way far down the aisle looking at makeup. It was a beauty shop. And she looked at me like I was about to take something. I was like, boy, and then I walked past her and I didn't know what to do. Like, should I smile? Should I be nice and say hi? But I don't want to, like, so I was like, and she was just like, damn. But yeah, so I was just like, whatever. It's like, I don't know what I thought I was gonna steal. Like, I don't know. But I walked past and I was about my stuff. People are mean. They're so mean. Like, when I work where I work, it's just like at a cafe type thing, you know? And like, I never met mean customers like how I met mean customers now. Like, they are so mean. Like, I worked at a lot of places and this place happens to just draw in the most evil, mean people ever. Like, I'm just like, dang. Like, but I mean, like, I don't take it to heart or anything, but I'm just like, I'm just trying to be as nice and as professional as possible. But sometimes people be testing me for real. Like, oh my god, I'm trying to like look at the mirror and this at the same time, but people are mean. Like, I'm just like, what do I do? And like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what's their problem. So I'm just like, but it's whatever. I'm using some blush. It's the NARS Orgasm blush. I'm just gonna put that and like lay it on top of so just for some added color. Alright, so now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my favorite thing ever. This is the Milani Stay Put brow color, and it's in dark brown. Okay, so I just fill them out and like outline them. And now I'm just going to brush them into place. Now it's time for eyeshadow. We're gonna do like a brown smoky eye look. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop KARRUECHE palette. It looks like this is the packaging and it's gonna look like this. And I only used it once or twice, but I wanted to save it for like a video so it could be like more of a first impressions. So this is really your first impressions for me, just because I had eyelash extensions and just everything. So, but look how pretty. It's a beautiful basic brown palette, and these are like colors like that I wear like every day. So I thought these are perfect for me. Look how pretty they are. The KARRUECHE palette. I love KARRUECHE. Like, she's so cute. So I had to buy it, and I was like, and I know this is also like one of my first ColourPop products, so you're gonna use them and see if I like it. So let's do what we do. So I'm gonna start with the color Chai, which is, I'm trying not to show you my nails, but right up here, and I'm literally just gonna put it all over my lid just as like a base. And don't look at that because I'm looking embarrassed, but I'm gonna get it fixed, I promise. So we're gonna cover it as just like a base color. Jamaica or Jamocha or Jamocha. I don't know. It's this color right here. It's pretty. I'm gonna use it as a base just to, we're gonna work in, and right off the bat, beautiful transition color. Color is pigmented. it looks great. Actually, oh my god guys, it looks really good. My finger and apply the color Auburn, which is the middle color that I was talking about. And it is so pigmented, guys. This color is really pigmented. Watch. Ooh. Ooh. It's beautiful. It's like a beautiful bronze. Just a really perfect bronze color. I love it. I'm already like obsessed with it. KARRUECHE did her thing. She did her thing. So see this really pretty color called Amber, and we're gonna use her just a little bit to kind of add like that like orange. Like this is a pretty sunset color now. Ooh. Just use the color Ginger on the inner area of the eye just to kind of brighten it up a little bit, just so it's not so dark. Because I got a new thing and I don't know if I want to try it, but I kind of low-key want to try it. But let's just my favorite lip liners ever. I never use this color though. Lay Down the Moss, and it's a gel. Whiny. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, this is cute. This is real cute. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe recreate this look for yourself. Make sure to leave me comments down below, guys, so I know you guys are liking my videos and stuff. I actually think it came out pretty cute. You know, I like the dark lip low-key with the dark eyes. It's perfect for the season. So yeah guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna hope to get better at this and find better lighting and edit and stuff like that. Like, I know my camera's bad, but I'm filming on my phone, so my front camera phone. So you gotta do what you gotta do for right now. But yeah guys, make sure to subscribe down below. Love you.